Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your OpenHAB to Dropbox for disaster recovery, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open the OpenHAB user interface on your device. Navigate to the configuration directory of your OpenHAB installation. Locate the add-ons folder within the configuration directory. Open the scripts folder to prepare for your backup script. Create a new script file and name it backup_Dropbox.sh. Edit the script file using a text editor. Start the script with the shebang line, #bin/bash. Next, define the backup destination in your Dropbox folder. Use the tar command to create a compressed archive of your OpenHAB configuration files. This command should include all necessary directories, like items, rules, and things. Ensure that you specify the full path for the output. Add commands to check if the backup was successful. Include error handling to give a clear message if the backup fails. Save the changes to your script file. Make the script executable by running chmod +x backup_to_dropbox.sh. Now, install the Dropbox uploader if you haven't already. Clone the Dropbox uploader repository from GitHub. Follow the instructions on the GitHub page to configure it with your Dropbox account. Once configured, add the upload command to your script. Specify the file path of the backup archive you created earlier. Set the destination path in your Dropbox for the uploaded file. To automate this process, use a cron job. Open the crontab file using the command crontab e. Schedule the backup script to run at your desired frequency. For example, to back up every day at 2 a.m., you would set it to 02*****. Save and exit the crontab editor. Your backup process is now fully set up. Monitor your Dropbox to ensure that backups are being uploaded successfully. Review the backup files periodically to verify their integrity. Regularly test the restoration process to ensure you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.